To design and develop applications, the first thing you need is to define the requirements, which are a series of specifications that determine what functionalities the applications or software must perform and what features they must include. The requirements are like the blueprints that define the scope of the project. Properly defining requirements is a crucial step, as this directly impacts the project complexity, costs, delivery time, team composition, and more. The requirements are divided into two large groups: functional and non-functional. Functional requirements focus on what the software does, its functionalities or features, what they must be able to execute or perform. Continuing with the calculator example, it should be capable of receiving inputs, numbers, and operators, performing mathematical calculations, and displaying the results. Additionally, it could store a history of calculations and results. Non-functional requirements. These focus on how the software performs or executes its functionalities. The main non-functional requirements have to do with performance, security, scalability, reliability, usability, and maintainability. Consider this. How likely are you to use a calculator that performs calculations correctly, but is very slow, unavailable when you want to use it, that can be easily hacked by someone to steal your information, including passwords, etc., or that is hard to maintain and update? Users or clients who commission applications to be developed may not be aware of the existence of these non-functional requirements, but they must be taken into account. Let's go over the properties or characteristics that make good software or applications. Efficient and error-free code, the instructions they include are short, so they take up the least amount of memory possible and operate quickly and correctly. They're easy to use and make it clear how to complete each process, find what you are looking for, or complete an action. For example, completing a purchase on a website or mobile app. Are secure, they are not easily hacked, prevent unauthorized access and theft of user information. Robust, resistant to issues and failures that may occur. For example, if there are too many users at the same time, they have low memory and power consumption, which is especially important in mobile devices. This prevents applications from overheating or slowing down the device and allows multiple apps to run simultaneously without causing problems. They are easy to modify and fix, since most apps will need corrections, updates, or will add new features. Usually, the applications that meet these requirements have good user reviews.